I, James Mueller, Mayor of the City of South Bend, Indiana, hereby proclaim and recognize Wednesday, May 26th, 2021, to be South Bend Blue Sox Day in South Bend, Indiana. 75 years to the day when the team played their first game at Playland Park. I encourage and ask all residents to join me in celebrating the momentous occasion of this historical marker's dedication and to recognize the History Museum, which is the national repository for the All-American Girls Professional Baseball League. Signed and sealed this 26th day of May, 2021.
The South Bend Blue Sox played right here, where you are today.
Here at IU, we are proud of the legacy that the South Bend Blue Sox created for future generations.
The South Bend Blue Sox played from 1943 to 1954 in the All-American Girls Professional Baseball League. A founding member, the team represented South Bend, Indiana, and played their home games at Bendix Field and Playland Park.
The Blue Sox moved from a smaller field to Playland Park in 1946, and attendance boomed that year. They drew more than 110,000 fans, almost half of whom were women and children, at those grandstands.
And imagine women who made history by playing on professional sports teams for the first time ever. These are the women, the athletes, the pioneers we celebrate today by placing a plaque in their honor on this site in the city of South Bend.
This marker is just the beginning of our efforts to commemorate the Blue Sox and their rich history.
I'd also like to welcome and honor South Bend Blue Sox outfielder, first basewoman, and pitcher Betsy Jochum.
Betsy Jochum played for the Blue Sox from 1943 to 1948.
As this day ends, remember this place. Women played here for the fun of playing baseball. Support your local museums. These people do a fantastic job. You got a diamond in the rough here with the museum. And remember one thing, there's no crying in baseball.
We are the members